welcome back to the channel. Been a while since I posted a video. Sorry about that, but you know, in life things change. Life situations changed. I may have mentioned it in another video. My job situation changed. I used to be working remote full-time, and then they've made some changes. Now I have to be in the office 3 days a week, so we can't travel like we used to. So with that going on, we're sort of changing directions in life. So we rented this building because we didn't really have anywhere to do our arts and crafts stuff that we do. Kelly does and I do. So we got this place rented, and probably going to be more videos. We're still going to have the motorhome and do stuff on it and travel when we can and do some camping. We got a Kentucky trip coming up, a Nashville trip coming up, but it's probably going to start being more crafting videos or woodworking videos. Also, I don't know if you can see it over there, I bought this 1969 van. I'm going to start restoring it. Haven't decided if I want to do like a hippie type van, or if I think I'm going to leave it all original and just redo it. May change the paint scheme a little bit, or may try to go right back factory like it was, and maybe put our business name on the side of it. Thought about putting, I have two businesses. We got the little craft shop. Thought about putting it's Maker's Nook. Thought about putting Maker's Nook in it, an old-timey font. Then on the other side, putting my cleaning business name. So, but don't know where I'm going with that, but there may be videos of that, or I may post that on my other channel, Nautical Nonsense. I have that channel where I was rebuilding a boat and it sunk. But anyhow, I hope you're, understand. If you don't want to watch this kind of stuff, that's fine. But that's probably sort of where we're going due to the job situation. I was hoping by this time I'd be able to sort of semi-retire and stay remote working, but it just didn't work out that way. So that's where we're heading. And I think my next video, or in this video, I'm going to show my sawdust collector I made for the shop and a few other little things. But thanks for sticking around. Thanks for tuning in. And let's see where the channel heads. Hopefully it'll be something that you want to watch. And if nothing else, just watch how I screw things up.